So guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video someone has asked to me how to do CAD drawings. Like I have teached in many of my videos, but still I am making a di- different video just based on that comment. That is how to CAD drawing. So it is really simple. Just you need to understand that what you want to draw, like a floor plan or a section or elevation or a cross section or a perspective, whatever it is, you should first know. And for that, all the tools are available in AutoCAD, which is right here in your ribbon window. You can just select line and start drawing whatever you want. Let's say you want to just make a simple floor plan, so just have to go as you have planned it to be, just like this. Then just offset for making wall. It is just this simple. First you need to know is what do you want to do in actually, like in what do you want to do in AutoCAD, and rest all AutoCAD will take care of it. Just you can do anything, draw lines, draw circles, draw an arc. It's that simple. You can draw a rectangle. If you don't want to make this like a three block thing, then you can just make a rectangle. Then you can make an oval. You can make an ellipse, whatever you want. That all the tools are there in AutoCAD. You just need to know that, and you just need to clear your vision on what you want to draw in AutoCAD, and rest is just right over there. So it is that simple. And if you want to learn more about how to do better CAD drawings, then check out the videos in my channel. So that's it for now, and thank you for watching, and share it with someone who may need it.